Login tutorial for destinycard.com. What's up guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Without any delay, let's dive into the video. Step 1. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser, for example Google Chrome, Brave, Opera, etc. on your computer. Step 2. Navigate to destinycard.com. In the address bar, type destinycard.com and press enter to visit the website. Step 3. Locate the login section. Once you are on the Destiny Card homepage, click on My Account. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. It will take you to the login section. Step 4. Enter your credentials. In the login section, you will find two input fields, username or email address and password field. Enter the username or email address associated with your Destiny Card account and type in your password. If you haven't registered your account, click on register your account. And if you have forgotten your username or password, click on the forget username or password. Step 6. Two-factor authentication if applicable. If Destiny Card uses two-factor authentication for added security, you may be prompt to enter a verification code sent to your mobile device or email. Enter the code in the provided field and click submit button or verify. Step 7. Access your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you should be redirected to Destiny Card account dashboard, where you can manage your account, view balance, make transaction and more. That's it. You should now be able to log into your Destiny Card account successfully. If you encounter any issue or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Destiny Card's customer support for assistance. If this video was helpful, press the like button and also don't forget to subscribe our channel for easy step-by-step guide.